Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Rode wireless Mi mic, and in this video I am going to show you how to connect this mic with iPhone. So let's start. So guys, Rode wireless Mi mic has two different parts. So here on this side we have receiver. It is also written at the back side RX, and on the other side we have transmitter. So here at the back side it is also written TX, which means transmitter. Now in the first step we will turn them on. So at the bottom we have this power button on both receiver and transmitter. Now you have to press and hold this power button for 3 seconds, and you have to do it together. Okay, so I will press and hold both of these buttons together. Okay, and you can see the LED light turn on. That means both receiver and transmitter are now turned on. The next thing is, on the receiver part you see this LED light become solid amber. Okay, which means both of them are paired together. Okay, and it is also showing you this pairing sign on top. Okay, so that means both of them are now paired. In the next step we will connect this connector with receiver. Okay, so I will connect it with receiver. Okay, so you can insert it like this. Okay, and now for this part we will connect it with our iPhone. Okay, so I will show you. So I will connect this receiver with my iPhone. Okay, so I will connect it like this. In the next step, on your iPhone you have to open the app store and you have to download an app. Name of the app is Rode Central Mobile. So I will open the app and then I will search for Rode Central. Okay, so I will type here Rode Central Mobile. Okay, and then I will search. So here you can see it is showing Rode Central Mobile. Now I will download this app. Okay, so I will download it from here. So here you can see Rode Central Mobile app is installed. So I will open this app and here you can see it is showing wireless Mi on this app. Now the next thing is, it is also showing you the RX and it is also showing you the TX. That means both are paired and both are connected with your iPhone. It is also showing you this RX and TX on top, and it is also showing you the battery percentage for both receiver and transmitter, and it is also showing you this pairing icon green in color. So now they are ready to use. Now for example, if you want to test it out, so I will open my iPhone's camera and now I will select the video mode and now I will turn on the video and now I will test this mic and then I will just tap on the transmitter. Okay, and now I will play it so you can listen it. I will test this mic and then I will just tap on the transmitter. So guys, you can see both receiver and transmitter are now connected with my iPhone. So now you can attach this receiver to your iPhone. So here at the back side we have this clip, so you can easily attach it at the back side of your iPhone like that, and then on the other side you have this transmitter, so you can use this transmitter as a mic for recordings. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.